Project Connect is one of our 3 projects we did this year for Holiday Wishes, which is our winter service project.
We had a Project Connect here last year, and it was basically us connecting with the lower income students of our own school, and we were providing them with materials that would get them through the school year and also through life, toiletries, snacks, sometimes clothing items, just anything that they would need.
And so this year when we were looking at Holiday Wishes and what we were going to do this year, we were looking for a way to really expand the project, and so we were partnered with Main Street Elementary School.
One of our teachers, Ms. Marche, her father has been the superintendent of a lot of different counties in South Carolina, so he paired us up with this school.
These students at Main Street Elementary, they come from a variety of different backgrounds, a lot of single parent homes. It's high poverty and they struggle at home. School, we want them that to be their safe place. We want them to come here and feel like they can do anything.
I really think this means a lot to our students. Just looking at their faces this morning, you could just see the happiness and how they were just so excited.
We wanted to be respectful of the school and of the place where it was, and we didn't want to just come in and just give a bunch of stuff, and so we needed to have a place that really needed not just physical things, but also needed kind of an emotional boost.
Something that kind of struck me was that the principal was saying that it's so easy to be reminded of the failure. Like if you don't meet your MAP score or you fail a test. And so one thing they needed was something that they could believe in and someone that, you know, gave them a win, something that was positive, something that they succeeded in.
The way we did that was we put individual, sticky notes on every kid's desk. We put about 14 on every kid's desk, and it turned out to be about 8,000 individual sticky notes that had everything from "you're awesome" to "you can do it" and "you're a winner." We also had our students here wrote individual notes to every student.
So that was a really cool thing to be able to give that student like a personalized, like, "you've got this, we're thinking about you, we know you can do it."
But the fact that older students who weren't too much older, but someone that they can connect with, were saying "you've got this" and "we've got your back" and "we're gonna be there with you through it all," I feel like that really touched them.
We always do an assembly here, and it's always sort of like a celebration of what we've done. We don't want to talk too much about ourselves, but it is good to say, hey, we came together as a school and did this. After we had our first visit with the school and the principal, all of our kids got back in the car and said, we have to do the assembly there. Like we don't feel right about, we're going to do something for this school and then we're going to have some big assembly here and talk about how great we are.
We figured if we spend like $1,000-ish making posters and paint and all this stuff to decorate our gym, why don't we use that money towards somebody else, towards another school that deserves it.
I think they really loved the assembly. We decked out their whole gym with posters, Christmas trees, some Blythewood performances like our Aka Bengals, our ROTC. It's just really show them like someone's there for them, someone's supporting them. We wanted to show them that we love them and wanted to care for them.
To the students at Main Street Elementary, we know that you are capable of doing anything you put your mind to. And we are here today to tell you that we love you, we support you, and that you are truly special.
At the end of the assembly, we had a chant that we kind of did. I believe that we will win. Having these kids chant, I believe that we will win, and just like roaring, thundering loudness, and they didn't stop. They just were like in it. Once we started going, they had like the awesomeness inside of them just to keep going. They just have so much heart and soul.
But I think it's important for our kids to be able to see the reality of public education in our state. I think it's important that they have the opportunity to learn how they can be an advocate for those things and how they can actually address those problems. I'm just real proud of them because they are willing to do the work that no one sees, that no one's really going to thank them for, and they're doing it for the right reason. They can do something about an issue and make a difference, and that's something that's not in the standards, it's not on the school report card, and I'm really proud that our kids get a chance to experience that.